We're going to look at Jeweller's reverse action soldering tweezers. As the name suggests, they work in reverse to normal tweezers. They remain closed and you press them together to open them. This means they'll hold items without you holding them. They're sometimes referred to as a third hand because they can hold and support items while you hold a soldering torch in one hand and position solder with your other. The soldering versions are the same as standard reverse action soldering tweezers, but with heat insulated grips. The insulation allows you to solder items held by them and then immediately open them, reposition them, or the items being soldered without waiting for them to cool down. They are available individually with a straight tip or with a curved tip, or as a set of two. They are available on stands. These give you more flexibility and more precise positioning. And as you can see, they will grip a whole range of size items, from tiny jump rings to large wedding rings. One final point to mention is they're made from steel, so don't put them in your pickle. When you're finished soldering, remove the item and use your pickle tongs or tweezers to place items in your pickle. If you put them or any steel items in your pickle, tweezers or binding wire, etc., it contaminates the pickle and all subsequent pieces will come out looking copper plated.